And then all I was going to do is
Here we are, famed naturalist, Daisy DeLuca.
okay.
And famed machete user, Schmo. Okay.
Okay.
This is not a circus act, ladies and gentlemen.
It's not something you should do.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Never try this. I don't even know how to work my camera. Oops.
Oh, shit, you're up there pretty near half the way. You got the most of the weight of the tree anyway.
Keep going, Simo, keep going.
Keep going. You can't go. Shitty up that tree. See, now if I go the other way, and then move my truck up there, there'll be tension on that thing. It won't fall towards my truck.
That's right.
But it won't be able to fall the other way either. What, do you need more room?
All that,
What?
just you do two things at once.
Me?
Back together again. Daisy and Simo for your entertainment.
Yeah. Just wait. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun today.
Yeah, as long as it can't fall that way. I don't care if it falls on your truck.
No, it won't fall on my truck. We got her all figured out.
Simo, you okay up there?
Yeah, we've been planning her out for a while, Randy.
You know what? While you're here, maybe I'll get you to clean up my eaves troughs. I'm afraid of heights.
So am I. Quite frankly, I'm scared shitless, but I learned how to
Like
do
up
it.
that height, I'd be scared shitless.
Oh no.
About halfway up, I'm fine.
I'm all right now.
Well, yeah, you're on the
I
ground.
can stick my hand on?
You're on the ground. No wonder you're okay.
Well, yeah, but I would go up there. But he beat me to it.
He
So,
beat
you all
you
right?
to the punch. So let's.
You want me to run her over?
Let me down now.
I'm gonna get a picture of how your truck looks now.
Yeah. Before and after?
Yeah, this will be the before. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the scene.
Now, see, what I was thinking was go around this tree. So that way it's yanking her that way, right? You think we got to do that or what?
No, that's gonna yank it the wrong way.
No, because I'm going to move ahead with the truck.
Yeah, that pulls it that way.
Which way?
Toward.
No, but the thing is that the tension is going to be in that direction as opposed to me pulling it in this direction.
Yeah, but we're not worried about your truck. We're worried about my shed.
No, I know, but if it goes around this tree here, and then I move ahead with the truck, the tension is going to be pulling it out that way.
No, we weren't thinking.
What?
Should have brought the trailer in. It's received.
I got this.
Yeah.
With the ball and everything.
So we can put it around that tree. It's
Well, if
going
you
to
don't-
yank it this way. It's going to make it fall that way. But if we just tighten it off on your truck over there,
Straight ahead.
just over there, all we're going to do is put tension on it.
Yeah, just so it won't fall.
No problem. No problem.
If you guys need a hand, let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna record this for posterity. I'll record the last time we were on speaking terms.
No problemo. Shit, I didn't think.
That's your problem.
Yeah, sometimes it's best not to think, right? In situations like this, just get her done.
Now you got this end tied off here.
Yeah, but what do you want to do? You want to tie it on the ball, or I got the tow rope?
Tie it to the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's best not to think, Dean.
All we need to do is put it on the ball. Oh, wow, we'll see how it hooks up. Just pull the truck up there.
This is fun. Glad you guys talked me into it.
Okay.
Guess I don't like this.
Does this thing come out anywhere over there?
No. But you'll be able
Well,
to
I
back.
bet you if I went, it could come out over there.
I think there's a spot to turn around in behind the neighbor's yard there.
Tell me when.
Well, not too much further.
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going?
Yeah. Lots of rope.
68 feet.
Fix this up.
I got three extra, three
Fix
free
this
feet.
up. Okay. Keep going.
Don't come back.
Okay. Halfway down the street. So you're in charge of the knot. See, if the knot lets go, it's your fault.
See, this is like
Eh?
nature, what do you call them? Free range wood, eh? I show my customers how it was cut.
Look at that. I can even look at that. I'm yanking it this way.
Yeah.
Look at that. Once we get some tension on that, she'll come straight down this way. She'll go poof right over there.
Or on your truck.
No, I'm not going to come down on my truck. No, Simo's going to cut her. I know exactly where he's going to cut her.
Okay. Put some tension on the baby. You know what? We made a mistake. We should have gone around that tree the other way.
Isn't that what I said?
Oh, this tree here.
It doesn't matter. I mean,
Doesn't
it'll
matter.
bend a bit, but no big deal.
Doesn't matter, but. Easy. Okay, keep going.
He's stuck.
That'd be something. Keep going. I don't know. Trail.
Yeah, you missed the road, Dean. Oh, you're on the stump. Back up a bit. Back up a little more. Okay, now you got to turn.
Okay, you want to pull it a little bit more? Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Look at that contraption.
Okay, let's move the ladder.
A lot of non-retardos wouldn't have done it this way.
A good woodman would have taken her down. Like I would have. Just cut her and let her go.
Yeah.
But we're just being a little safe.
Especially on this one. On the next one, if you want to try to just cut her down.
This is the only one that you have the concern about, maybe?
That's the only one I think that can reach my buildings.
You didn't do any damage?
I mean, I still don't want to.
Well, I'm just going to put it down.
Oh, all right.
Once the bottom doesn't kick out.
Okay.
All right. Now, what I want to do, get it out of the way so we have a safe retreat. Because when that starts coming down.
Now, did we apply tension on that?
Well,
Yeah.
you know what? I'm going to get you to go, as soon as I get this dog going, just go with the truck and give it another little tug.
All right. But you're going to cut her over on this side, correct?
I'm going to notch it here,
Where?
right here,
Yeah, good idea.
Let's see.
right here.
Yeah.
Notch out of it.
And then go cut
Cut it
through
off
the other
on
way.
this side,
Yeah,
and it's just going to drop over there.
That's what I figured. You excited?
This is pretty amazing.
Now don't cut yourself for nothing, eh? Because if
Yeah.
I have to take over the chainsaw, you know what I'll do.
Yeah, you'll still be here cutting. I'll be walking to the hospital. You guys will be laughing at me.
I was going to say, got a handsaw?
No, it always takes a bit to get it going.
Yep, I know exactly. It's just like mine.
Ah, you dirty dog. Break his arm.
I only have half an hour of film. There you go.
Hey,
No. Is the choke on?
No, the choke's off now.
Well, I could pull the Husky out of the garage.
No, it'll go. Just, it always does this to me. It runs good once I get it going.
It sounds like it's running better before you touch the trigger.
Yeah, don't touch the trigger until she warms up.
Yeah,
on the mixing one.
that's what I do too. Mine has been there since I moved into the house I live.
Now we're in business. I'll put some tension on Good? Okay, that's good. That's good.
I don't think that's deep enough. This is it. This is the piece of resistance.
Hey, if you can start running, make sure you drop the chainsaw, eh?
You gotta run that way. There it goes.
Piece of cake! Don't run with the fucking... See, piece of cake!
It was a piece
He's
of
running
cake.
with the chainsaw, right at me. Crazy bastard.
What are you standing behind the cutter for?
Fucking crazy bastard.
Right on, good job. Let's go judge the...
Piece of cake.
No, but it had to have the tension on. Without it, it might not have gone that way.
Can't you take? Now this one here you went down to?
Yeah.
And this little thing here, eh?
Well, yeah, we could do that.
I can take that one down by myself. Truck. Yeah, Chainsaw.
Much like yourself. Like rats leaving a sinking ship. You might have to let some tension off.
Yeah, let some tension on.
You started to go already, eh?
Yeah. Well, it's my fault. I went in a little deeper than I should have.
I got that on tape. She's jammed in there.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, he's got the tension off now. Okay.
Get it out?
No, but the tension's off the tree, I think. Try. Okay, back up a little bit more. Okay. Okay.
Good.
Okay, go forward another foot or two.
Well, did you get it out?
Yeah, it's out.
Okay,
Okay, that's good. Beauty. Okay.
What's next?
Well, what do you think? This big hooked one we talked about?
That one's gonna be nothing.
Well, I know all the weight's right on top of my
Oh
shaft.
no, just a little tip.
Well,
This is the one
this
that
is
the
the
rope.
one we don't. We can get up high enough that we can take a rope straight across this way. Straight across, it'll fall right into these trees.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Why not?
If it's all hung up in those trees,
Yeah, you want it to
we
fall.
want it to fall over there.
Yeah.
For that
Well,
one.
all right, then we have to come
Well, we
around.
gotta come in here and we gotta
Hey?
clear all this out first.
Here, I'll clear some out with mine. Give you a break.
And then we'll notch it.
We're beat.
No, no, I won't be there long. Okay, that's good. That's got you got tension on her now.
I'll put some more gas.
You and your gas.
What's the matter?
Set of gas.
What's that of gas?
Simo.
Oh, here, give me the chainsaw. I'm not having any fun.
You'd be like Rudy there, chopping with it.
I know. That's why I gave up. It's not the day for me to be working chainsaws. Everything has to be aligned correctly for me to.
Yeah, there's got to be signs and stars and movement. So that's really the only major problematic one right here. Eh?
Yeah, and that's not even like it's not rotten or anything. But
No.
while we're doing it,
Well, I think that it should come down. That one and even the one beside it.
yeah, well we'll hit it
And I
up.
don't
With,
think the one beside it is going to require any kind of.
we'll hit
roping.
Simo up about that one once he gets this one done.
I already told him. And then the other one over there, the dead one.
Well, I could do the dead ones if you guys.
Just have them take. I want to cut something down.
Well, use Simo's saw. It's working like a charm. Must be. I
I'll go
mean,
over there and cut that fucker down right now. Watch me poop right on the truck.
well, he's filling up the saw.
Filling up which stuff?
His.
Well, yeah, but yours doesn't work.
Well, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm wondering where you're going. Mine works. It's just not
It's not sharp.
not very sharp.
Time's a waste.
What time is it?
It's probably around 11:45, 12 o'clock. To 1. Really?
Well, it's 25 to 1, yes?
Holy cow! I didn't think it was noon.
Hey!
Yep. Don't worry. I'll get out of here before you do anything.
Hang on. I'm getting in that truck just in case. I gotta back up in a hurry.
I don't think it'll.
Might not.
Let me round it. Oh no, go do a little more. I want to get this on tape because I want to learn how to do this.
Well, it's not.
Or is that as much as you're doing?
I think that's all I'm going to cut. I
See,
think.
there's my problem. I always try to cut them.
You know what? If you cut too much, it starts to go, and your saw gets cut like I did last time. This should be okay, I think.
He's cutting. Here we go.
Ready? I hit the stall button.
Shouldn't do
By
that.
accident. See, my cut is a little bit too low there anyway.
Hey, it's starting to go. Beauty. So you have an energy for one more, Schmo?
Want to cut one more? Which
This
one?
this one right here. You think I should, or Dean was saying it? Or should I just leave that? That's a healthy tree. Yeah, let's leave that. I might clear out some of the others later.
Well, if it gives you problems later, we'll cut it down.
Yeah, I mean, I got other ones a lot closer. No, we're not going to cut that one, Dean.
Oh, it's up to you. Rude, if you want to cut it, we'll cut it. I don't care.
No, but I'm just thinking it's a nice, it's not a bad tree.
Yeah, but if you cut all 4 of them, Randy, then you cut them flat, you got to get 4 seats in around, you got nice 4 seats here, people can sit on in the bush.